Okay,
Okay.
we're done.
So, the associate pastor of Jesus Christ.
We're done. We're done.
We're here. We just brought the goods to the family, and then now we're going back. We are
Yes.
traveling 7 kilometers away from the city, down here to the garbage dump and to meet the family.
So hopefully
We're
more.
so happy, man.
Yes.
The kid was crying.
Yes.
He was crying. He cries for joy. It
So
also touches us.
that's right.
We extend our love gift. So yeah, so we want all these people to experience what
Cornelos.
one family experienced.
Yeah.
Still up to God.
Okay. God bless.
Okay, so
And thanks for the
that's all.
mission accomplished.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're going back. Okay.
So, come on.
That's it.
God bless.
It's getting wild, so
So we have to go.
and also this guy. This is
Thank you.
the video man.
Thank you for your
This is the
heartily support.
I love you too.
Salamat kayo sa inyong paghatag. Gift. The gift that you have given. I know the Lord that your heart will rejoice. You know what? Wow. So great.
Ang dagway.
It's so great how Ronilos experienced that the gift that's given from you guys. It's really touching.
Nawali na niya tong amigo.
We thank you and God bless.
Hopefully.
We always continue
Praying.
praying and hoping that God always
Bless
bless
you
you
more and more.
more and more abundantly. That's why a lot of family will experience about Radmilios family. God bless and we love you. We miss you.
Okay, Randy is
Wait, bro. Wait, Loy.